Understanding Garter Stitch, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, especially for those who love knitting. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, garter stitch. Whether you're a language learner or a knitting enthusiast, this video is tailored for you. Garter stitch refers to a basic knitting pattern. In knitting, there are various stitches and patterns, and the garter stitch is one of the simplest and most fundamental. It's created by knitting every row when working flat or by alternating a knit and a purl row. The result is a stretchy, reversible fabric with a unique texture characterized by horizontal ridges. The term garter historically refers to a band worn to hold up stockings. The garter stitch's texture somewhat resembles these bands, hence the name. In English, it's a specific term used in the context of knitting and needlework. It's important to understand such terms for their cultural and practical relevance, especially for non-native speakers interested in these hobbies. The garter stitch isn't just a term, it's widely used in practical knitting. It's often the first stitch learned by beginners due to its simplicity. You'll find it in scarves, blankets, and even in some sweater patterns. Knowing this term can be really helpful if you're following English knitting patterns or tutorials. I hope this video has shed some light on the charming world of knitting terms in English. The garter stitch is more than just a phrase. It's a gateway into understanding a hobby that connects people across cultures. Happy knitting and language learning!